This kit comes with a mag lock, an exit button, a wireless receiver, 2 remotes, and 1 power supply. We have kits for out-swinging doors and in-swinging doors, and with 4 different electromagnetic locks weight: 140 pounds, 300 pounds, 600 pounds, and 1200 pounds. These wireless remote buzz-in kits are for commercial applications. We recommend using them for projects like gyms, commercial, industrial, hospitality, retail, hospitals, schools, churches, jewelries, gas stations, and much more. These are all the tools we recommend you have when you install this system. It's recommended to use electrical wire for this installation, 18/4 or 22/4 gauge wire. This wire is a requirement that is needed to connect the mag lock, receiver, and exit button. You may also use this wire as an extension for the power supplies. 300 feet maximum with 18/4 gauge wire. This is the installation diagram for this kit. You can find it physically in the package and on the FPC Security website. You may also install the mag lock on almost any type of door, being metal, wood, glass, and others. The mag lock is installed beneath the top of the door frame, and the armature plate is installed on the door to make sure the door remains closed and locked. An electromagnetic lock only needs to be rated for the strength of the door it holds. The door and frame need to be strong enough to be able to utilize the locking force that's available from our mag locks: 140, 300, 600, or 1200 pounds. We recommend a 140 pounds holding force for small doors and cabinets, a 300 to 600 pounds holding force for interior doors, and a holding force of 1200 or more for higher security, such as exterior doors or interior computer room doors. The LED light on the mag lock helps you identify when the mag lock is locked and unlocked. When the light is red, the mag lock is unlocked. When the light is green, the mag lock is locked. Take advantage of our new and improved LED sensor, light, wider, and brighter. All our indoor mag locks come with a contact sensor wire that you can use to connect to a door sensor. This product has a 3-year warranty. The VIS 7005 is an indoor ultra-thin push and touch to exit button for door access control with LED light. It is designed to provide a reliable source of egress access controlled opening devices in residential, commercial, and industrial locations. This request to exit button may be connected to the request to exit input of any access control device or directly connected to an electromagnetic lock or electric strike device. This product has a 3-year warranty. The model VIS 8004 is a 1-channel 315 MHz RF receiver supplied with antenna, and the VIS 8005 is a 1-channel remote, and both are commonly used for opening doors, garage doors, and gates. You just press the button on the remote control and the door will unlock. This product has a 3-year warranty. This kit does not include any type of entry device such as keypad/reader for entry. In this kit, you will be able to unlock the door by the exit button and from the remotes that come included in the kit. Get your wireless remote buzz-in kit here. www.fpc-security.com/buzzin-kits.